In this lesson, we have to prove this relation and then we have to answer that whether this is true or false. So suppose if it says A union B equal to A union C, right? First we have to prove A union B is equal to A union C. Is it necessarily true that B should be equal to C, right? So suppose we have set, I will write down here A, B, C, D. This is A. And suppose we have E and F, and C we have E and F. Right, first we have to find out A union B. A union B means we have to write down all the members, whether they are common or not. Okay, I will write down here A, make it A as well. So see, A is in A and this A is also in B, but we will write down only one time A. And then B, C, D is not here. We are taking union. So A, B, C, D, and then E and F belongs to B, but they do not have in A. In union, we have to write down. If it is common, we have to write down one time, and all other members we have to write down. This is A union B. Now is A union C, right? A union C. So see, now we have to compare these two. A is here, A is here. We will write down one time. Then B, C, D, B, C, D, E, and F. So we have proved that A union B is equal to A union C. If it says A union B is equal to A union C, is it necessarily true that B should be equal to C? Right? So in this case, it is yes. It is true. Right? Because in union, we have to write down each and every element. If these sets are same, these are constant, so it is yes. But if I will say here, I will write down A is suppose A, B, C, D. B we have suppose A, E and F same. This is these two sets suppose I am using for A union B. So same thing A, B, C, D, E and F. Now suppose if A is equal to A, B, C, D, E, and in C we have A and F. So if I will find out A union C, I will get the same answer A, B, C, D, E and F. But B and C are not same. Here we have A, E, F, here we have A, F. If these sets are constant, we are using only these elements. So it is yes, B should be equal to C. But if we have one set A and B we are using for A union B, another set, another A, because in union we have to write down each and every element. So instead of this E is a member of E, sorry, in C here, now I have written an A, and in C I have only A and F, but still I have to write down each member every time. So A union C is same as A union B, but in this case it is false, that it is not necessarily true that B should be equal to C, but if we remains these set constant same, so it is yes. I hope this concept is clear and thanks for watching.